Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a lustrous natural foundation using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Makeup tier. Then select the Foundation Loose Powder Formulation Build and click on Create. First, I'm going to pick my binder, and this just helps the foundation stay on my skin so it doesn't just flake off during the day. I'm going to select the Zinc Stearate. And so that it adheres well to my skin, I'm going to put this in at 5%. Next, I'm just going to pick the Skin Color Blend. Now, when you subscribe to the program, we provide you with various shade inputs so you know exactly how much iron oxides and titanium dioxide you need to add to create a variety of shades. Next, I'm going to pick my lipids. And for this formula, I'm going to use some acai oil, some camellia oil so that it's nice and nourishing for dry skin, and some caprylic capryc triglycerides. Next, I'm going to pick my antioxidant. I'm just going to use some mixed tocopherols. I'm going to add a really small amount of geranium essential oil into this formula. And I'm going to pick a nice sand gold mica to give a really rich luster to this product when I apply it to my skin. I'm going to input this at 2% so it's not immediately obvious that I've got a luster pigment in there, but it gives my skin a nice healthy glow. Now I click on Generate Method, and here is my formula, and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a beautiful foundation using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own foundation products. Happy formulating!